schooling interfere with my education? Mark Twain told. Schooling is different and education is different. And thyself, thy means I, lead from within. Now, think about I don't know whether I could brush up or give you a different level of knowledge that could rub off your whole thought process about education and bring in something new. But now what do you think? What is the purpose of education? Try to synthesize the thought process. Now relate with this. Relate with this. What's the purpose of education? Do you need to focus on the job or do you need to focus on expression, verbal expression? Do you need to focus on job or do you need to focus on written expression? Do you need to focus on job or do you need to express yourself at work well? See, one is an end, another is a mean. These are means. If you are perfect in this, definitely job will come to you. If you can communicate, if you can express yourself verbally, definitely you will be successful during the interview, right? If you can express yourself in writing, definitely you are going to get 100% marks. If you are able to face challenges, as well as opportunities, as well as problems in life, in the same equanimous mindset, okay, you know that life is a mix of what? Pleasure and pain, happiness and sorrow. So face it. No one in this world has got only pain or only pleasure. We have to face the challenges, the problems, rewrite problems into challenges. Same equanimous mindset, calm, cool mindset, because both are part of our life. I am able to face. I am facing it. Let God Almighty give me the strength to face that. Then you have an equanimous mindset. You are not disturbed. Then you will express yourself in life to the fullest. You would have seen people, ups and downs, but those people are stern, strong, and they never run away from the reality. They face the reality as it is, as you rightly mentioned. They face it, whether it is a death or whether it is a birth, whether it is a lottery or whether it is a huge financial loss. They face that realities and they express themselves, face the realities to the fullest. And such strong people you would have seen in your life. From where they get that cognitive skill sets, mindsets. See, expression at work, expression in life. Or there is a small challenge, go and commit suicide. So are we able to express it the right way? So are we educated in the right way? Huh? If you have got the right education, you will face the challenges of your life. That is why QS rankings. What is QS ranking? How many universities in India is the top 300 in QS rankings? What is QS rankings? Are you aware of QS ranking? Have you heard about QS rankings? Financial Times QS rankings, only one university is there in the Institute of Science from Bangalore. Huh? And what is a QS ranking? What is the ranking? Below 300. See, QS ranking, how many of you know about the criteria of QS rankings? I will show you tomorrow. First one is reputation. What reputation? There are 5-6 criteria for QS rankings. What reputation is first one? What is second one? What is the third one? What is fourth one, fifth one, sixth one? See, for people who come out of the institute and how they express themselves in life. That comes the reputation. There comes the reputation. Employer reputation 10%. 40% marks means peer reputation. How that reputation comes out? I am talking about QS, one of the most famous rankings of educational institutions in the world. Not certifications, rankings. We will discuss tomorrow about that. So let us have a broader perspective. Education is one, as rightly Alpo told, there is a appropriate functioning need that take care of our biological needs. What are the biological needs? Food, shelter, sex. We need something. That next level, without that, I cannot talk to you unless I will feed you, right? First, there should be something. Huh? And I just told a biblical word in my own language, that's all. I am not able to exactly recollect the same biblical language. So don't preach to him unless you feed him. Right? That is required. But beyond that, don't you think that education does have much higher goals and objectives? Yeah. That is a point I want to give you. Education does have a broader frame, and we tell about overall development in these 5. Unless and until you have an overall development, you cannot express yourself in all 5 dimensions, right? Don't you think so? Don't you think so? Now, in order to express, please understand, there should be something core within you. What is that? Cognitive skill sets. What are they? Ability to comprehend, understand, form a concept, then have a integrated world view, a bird's eye view, then what? Able to critically, creatively evaluate, think, analyze, synthesize, then relate, associate. These are all functions of mind. Then what? Tell me, then what? To creatively use your judgment, application of knowledge, so that you could solve a problem or utilize an opportunity. So, developing the cognitive domain. Developing the cognitive domain becomes the first one. And what about the second one? The conceptual skills need to be practically implemented, tacit knowledge. The problem is, the moment that you know about swimming, being asked to swim, you are not able to jump into water because you may drink some water in. You may not be able to breathe for some time. And moreover, the water is very cool. So you are not able to jump. It's too cold. So you go through pain or pleasure when you get into which domain? Psychomotor domain. And you are afraid of that pain or pleasure. You resist. You have all the conceptual skill sets, intellectuals, but they don't practice. It's a what risk? Tacit risk. We know all theoretically, but being asked at the competence level, there is a difference between task and an activity. Activity is just climbing a tree. Just you want to climb a tree, you want to see the world. But task, it becomes a task. You want to climb a tree to pluck mangoes, and you have to pluck mangoes, 100 mangoes within an hour, without falling it down, because the quality of mangoes would be affected negatively. So then it is a task. You have an object. Just climbing a tree is an activity. To play a game of badminton, to win it is a task. To enjoy the play is an activity. Whether you win or fail doesn't matter. That is activity. Another is a task. There is a difference. And both are competence at the practical level. Now you have a creative idea. Okay? You are able to develop a model in which the probability could be tested, probability could be forecasted, in which you know very well that 95% this idea would be at 5% confidence level. Okay, this idea you can commercialize it, but still you are not at all jumping into water. Why? Fearful. Whether I may be